DLSU. As we mentioned, Shavana Laput starting to rack up the points in the second round. Now up to 7th best. Laput, who has been for twice to beat. Laput. And too low. Coronel. Laput again. Laput on the left pin. DLSU strikes first. Laput, right side. Oh, what an angle. De Leon was there. Boom! De Leon will go to Laput. Aba. Coronel goes back to Shavana, who puts it away. Shavana Laput has been unstoppable.
From the back row, in the front line, in the...
Long rally, the push, and Abu. Safe serve for her. Laput, look at that. Still alive. LaSalle on the attack. LaSalle scores. 23-21 DLSU.
Good decision by Coronel to go behind. Because this girl has...
Pangilinan, dug by Laput. Laput from behind. And they get the point. The lead is 1. 3-0. Shavana again from behind. Unleashes one. Perfect height this time for that setup. Laput right on top of that ball. Couldn't do anything about that. Belen will go behind the blocker. Sinungkit ni Coronel. Laput on the ad-lib play. Still scores. That is 9 for Shavana. Cross. De Leon was there. Shavana again. And she continues to fire away. 7 off. For a free ball for the green and white. And Laput, without anybody in front of her, say goodbye to that.
Big mistake for NU, giving an open block to
21. Palitan ng puntos tayo dito. And LaSalle is trying to milk Shavana Laput in front. 30. Stay again in that sequence. Laput from behind. 3-0 run. Laput. Oh, what an open gap. Donut hole. Shavana developing some smarts.
That's true.
But not for that girl. Laput has been
On the court.
so the efficiency has gone down. But today,
Emotional when she greets her mom. As in her words, after a game, there's nothing like a
as a rookie, scored 267.
That's a big number for a rookie.
Shavana with the approach. Hitting it to La Rosa. Down 3. Laput from behind. Back attack from Shavana. Gives her, stretch her left hand just to block that one. But Laput is on top of the ball. Toromal today. Toromal has been so good. With her passing, her receiving. Laput, mababa. But it worked out. With the adjustment by Shavana Laput.